Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm on Stephanie's lawn. And Stephanie has had new sod put in here in the last week or so. And the weather's changed now. And this is July, and the weather's now hitting 90 degrees, and the sod is coming under stress. This project was supposed to have been completed in spring, but people get busy and the job wasn't done. And so this job has just been completed, like I say, in the last week. So what's happening with this new sod? It's drying out. And like I say, the weather has now jumped up to 90 degrees. We had no idea this was going to happen, though it does get warm this time of year. And the sod, I don't know if you can see this or not on your TV or on your computer screen, but the sod is now pulling apart. The edges are pulling apart and drying out. And typically, if this sod had been down for a while, I could come through here, aerate this thing, and use my wetting agent, W-E-T-T-I-N-G. The wetting agent that I use treats the soil underneath the grass, underneath the sod. But this technique will not work for a newly sodded lawn. The sod is not rooted enough to be aerated. And so what I was suggesting to Stephanie is tell a landscaper that did this work here to come on back and use a wetting agent for lawns that will treat the thatch layer in the lawn. And so the lawn does not have to be aerated first. You can just apply it right on there, and hopefully it will prevent the edges of the sod from drying out. We're trying to compensate for what's happening with the weather here, and I'm trying to just provide the best advice I can here for homeowners that I know of. And I told Stephanie later on, if these problems continue, that I could come back in fall time and aerate, seed, and fertilize back here. And if she put soil between these dried out cracks of the sod that are pulling apart, and so when I reseeded and she hit the water, this would come back beautifully for later on in the year. But I'm trying to prevent damage, trying to prevent effort, and trying to save this client some money. I was already working on the client's front lawn. This is a beautiful property that overlooks the sound, and Stephanie's worked hard here on this property. She's been living here a couple of years now, and I just want to do the very, very best I can for her. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and hope you enjoyed my video. And it looks like Stephanie's just getting ready to water her brand new sod. Thank you. I shoot these videos out in the field as they happen, as I see them, unplanned. Thanks. Bye-bye.